Good morning. This is Dave.
What up?
It is 4th of July weekend. Today we're starting our day going to the Statue of Liberty.
I just wanna 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 I just wanna
Alright, here we are. Statue of Liberty. Davey's never been here before, right Dave?
I've not.
I've been here maybe 3 times, but still really cool to see. What's up guys, thank you so much for checking out this short little video. As you might be able to see, we've been pretty busy with this move, so I haven't had a chance to film anything new. But it's been really nice to revisit some of these smaller trips that I haven't had a chance to put a video together for. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, give this a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share this with a friend if you are so inclined, and I will see you next time.